Looking to make some extra cash online? There are various ways to boost your income without leaving the comfort of your home. From taking online surveys to starting a side hustle, there are plenty of opportunities to explore. By utilizing the power of the internet, you can find ways to make money that fit your skills and interests. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra income or start a full-fledged online business, these 8 ways to make money online can help you reach your financial goals. Let's dive into the world of online money-making opportunities and discover how you can start generating income from the comfort of your own home. Exploring the digital frontier for income. Looking to make money online? There are various ways to explore the digital frontier for income. From starting a side hustle to investing in passive income streams, the possibilities are endless. Consider budgeting wisely, getting out of debt, and opening high-yield savings accounts for financial growth. Embrace opportunities like affiliate marketing, creating exclusive content for social media, and offering consulting services to boost your earnings. Don't forget about platforms like TikTok, where you can monetize your presence through sponsorships, merch sales, and virtual gifts. With a strategic approach and determination, you can tap into the endless possibilities of making money online. Freelancing, your skills, your schedule. Are you looking to make money online by utilizing your skills and working on your own terms? Freelancing might be the perfect opportunity for you. As a freelancer, you have the flexibility to choose your projects, set your own rates, and work from anywhere in the world. Whether you are a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or social media manager, there are plenty of freelance opportunities available online. Discover your niche. Before diving into the world of freelancing, it's important to discover your niche. What skills do you excel in? What are you passionate about? By focusing on a specific niche, you can position yourself as an expert in that area and attract clients looking for your expertise. Whether it's writing blog posts, designing logos, or managing social media accounts, identifying your niche will help you stand out in a competitive market. Platforms to get started. Once you have identified your niche, it's time to find platforms where you can start your freelancing journey. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and TopTal are popular platforms that connect freelancers with clients from around the world. These platforms allow you to create a profile, showcase your skills, and bid on projects that match your expertise. Additionally, you can use social media platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook to network with potential clients and promote your services. By leveraging your skills and choosing the right platforms to showcase your talent, freelancing can be a lucrative way to make money online. Whether you are looking to earn extra income or transition to a full-time freelance career, freelancing offers endless possibilities for growth and success. Take the leap and start freelancing today to unlock your potential and achieve financial independence. Creating and selling online courses. Creating and selling online courses is a lucrative way to make money online. If you have valuable knowledge or skills that others are interested in learning, this could be a great opportunity for you to monetize your expertise. Whether you're an expert in photography, digital marketing, coding, or any other niche, there is likely an audience willing to pay for your teachings. Identifying marketable skills and knowledge. To start creating online courses, you first need to identify your marketable skills and knowledge. Consider what topics you are knowledgeable about and passionate about teaching. Think about what problems you can solve or what valuable information you can provide to your potential students. Conduct market research to determine the demand for the course topic and the competitiveness of the market. Choosing the right platform for your course. Once you have identified your marketable skills and knowledge, the next step is to choose the right platform for hosting and selling your online course. There are many online course platforms available, each with its own features and pricing structures. Some popular options include Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare. Consider factors such as the platform's fees, ease of use, marketing tools, and reach when making your decision. Creating and selling online courses can be a sustainable source of passive income once you have put in the initial effort to create high-quality content. By leveraging your expertise and reaching a global audience, you can generate income while helping others learn valuable skills. Ensure to promote your course effectively through social media, email marketing, and partnerships to attract students and maximize your earnings. E-commerce, selling products online. When it comes to making money online, e-commerce is a popular avenue that many entrepreneurs choose to pursue. By selling products online, you have the opportunity to reach a wide audience and create a profitable business. To get started with e-commerce, you first need to decide what products you want to sell. Consider your interests, expertise, and target market to determine the best products to offer. Once you have chosen your products, you can start by setting up your online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy make it easy for you to create a professional-looking website where you can showcase your products and facilitate transactions. Make sure to optimize your product listings with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and competitive pricing to attract potential customers. Starting your online store. When starting your online store, it's important to consider factors like branding, marketing, and customer service. Develop a cohesive brand identity that resonates with your target audience and sets you apart from competitors. Use social media, email marketing, and online advertising to promote your store and drive traffic to your website. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty among your customers, which can lead to repeat business and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Dropshipping, a low-risk entry point. For those who want to start an e-commerce business with minimal investment, dropshipping is a low-risk entry point. With dropshipping, you don't need to hold inventory or handle shipping logistics. Instead, you partner with suppliers who fulfill orders on your behalf. This allows you to focus on marketing and customer service, while the supplier takes care of product fulfillment. To succeed with dropshipping, it's important to select reliable suppliers, choose in-demand products, and optimize your website for conversions. Keep track of your expenses and revenue to ensure that your business is profitable. As you gain experience and grow your customer base, you can explore new product lines and scale your dropshipping business for even greater success. Affiliate marketing, earning through referrals. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online by earning commissions through referrals. Essentially, you promote products or services to your audience, and when they make a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a percentage of the sale. Understanding affiliate marketing. To be successful in affiliate marketing, it's essential to understand your audience's needs and interests. Tailor your marketing efforts to align with these preferences to increase the likelihood of conversions. Additionally, creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience can establish trust and credibility, making them more likely to click on your affiliate links. When it comes to choosing affiliate programs, opt for those that align with your niche and resonate with your audience. Look for products or services that you genuinely believe in and would recommend to your followers. This authenticity will not only improve your conversion rates, but also enhance your reputation as a trustworthy influencer. Finding the right partners. When selecting affiliate partners, consider factors such as the commission structure, cookie duration, and overall reputation of the company. Look for programs that offer competitive commissions and extended cookie durations to maximize your earning potential. Additionally, research the company's track record with affiliates to ensure they are reliable and timely with payments. Building strong relationships with your affiliate partners can also lead to exclusive opportunities and increased earning potential. Communicate regularly with your partners, provide them with feedback and suggestions for improvement, and celebrate your successes together. By fostering these connections, you can establish long-term collaborations that benefit both parties. By understanding the fundamentals of affiliate marketing and selecting the right partners, you can leverage this income stream to make money online effectively. Keep your audience's needs at the forefront of your marketing efforts and choose affiliate programs that align with your niche and values to maximize your success in this competitive industry. Investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies. When it comes to making money online, investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies can be a lucrative option. Stocks represent ownership in a company and can provide returns through dividends and capital appreciation. On the other hand, cryptocurrencies are digital assets that operate on blockchain technology and have the potential for significant growth. To begin investing in stocks, individuals can open a brokerage account with a reputable online platform. Researching and selecting individual stocks or investing in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are popular ways to diversify a portfolio. It's essential to understand the basics of stock market investing, including market trends, company financials, and risk tolerance. Similarly, diving into the world of cryptocurrencies involves opening an account on a cryptocurrency exchange and purchasing digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins. Cryptocurrency investing requires staying informed about market developments, understanding blockchain technology, and managing the volatility associated with this emerging asset class. Getting started with investments. To start making money through stocks and cryptocurrencies, individuals should set investment goals, create a diversified portfolio, and establish a budget for regular contributions. Researching potential investment opportunities, staying updated on market trends, and seeking advice from financial professionals can help in making informed decisions. There are various online resources available, including investment blogs, financial news websites, and online courses to enhance knowledge about stock market investing and cryptocurrency trading. Additionally, utilizing investment tools and software for portfolio management, tracking performance, and analyzing market data can streamline the investment process. Risk management strategies. While investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies can offer significant financial rewards, it's essential to implement risk management strategies to protect capital. Diversifying investments across different asset classes, setting stop-loss orders, and establishing realistic profit targets are effective risk mitigation techniques. Moreover, staying disciplined with investment decisions, avoiding emotional trading, and conducting thorough research before making investment choices can reduce the risk of financial losses. Understanding market volatility, monitoring investment performance, and adjusting strategies as needed are essential components of successful risk management in the online investment landscape. Monetizing social media and content creation. In today's digital age, social media and content creation have become powerful tools for individuals to showcase their talents, share their passions, and ultimately monetize their online presence. Whether you're a talented creator, an influencer, or just someone with a unique perspective to offer, there are plenty of ways to make money online through social media platforms. Building a following. A loyal following on social media is the first step towards monetizing your online presence. Engage with your audience, create high-quality content, and stay consistent with your posting schedule. Collaborating with other creators, leveraging trending topics, and utilizing hashtags can also help increase your visibility and attract more followers. Monetization strategies for creators. Once you have a solid following, it's time to explore different monetization strategies. Selling products, such as merchandise or digital downloads, can be a lucrative way to generate income. You can also offer exclusive content or services to your followers through subscription-based platforms like Patreon. Partnering with brands for sponsored posts or affiliate marketing can also be a profitable avenue for creators. Additionally, consider participating in platform creator funds, where social media platforms pay creators for their content. Another option is to promote your posts with social media ads to reach a larger audience and attract potential customers. Lastly, offering consulting services in your niche can be a great way to leverage your expertise and earn money online. By building a strong following, engaging with your audience, and exploring various monetization strategies, you can turn your passion for social media and content creation into a sustainable source of income. Remember to stay authentic, provide value to your followers, and always be open to new opportunities for growth and monetization. Navigating your online income journey. There are a variety of ways to make money online in today's digital age. Whether you're looking to save money, start a side hustle, or generate passive income, there are plenty of opportunities available. By following tips from trusted sources like Fortune, Sophie, and NerdWallet, you can budget effectively, cut costs, and maximize your online earning potential. Additionally, platforms like Shopify and social media offer avenues for monetization through creative strategies like selling products, affiliate marketing, and building a loyal following. Keep exploring and experimenting with different methods to find what works best for you on your online income journey. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence and dedication, you can achieve your financial goals.